Introduction. Ram and Shyam are two brothers. Their mother gives them each a packet of biscuits containing 10 pieces. Ram is very hungry. He eats all the biscuits. He then takes away 2 biscuits from Shyam's packet when he's not looking. Shyam counts the biscuits in the packet and finds 2 missing. He knows who has taken them. In this lesson, you will learn subtraction. Picture subtraction. Aditi's mother bought 4 notebooks. Her brother Sameer took one to do his English homework. How many notebooks are left? 1, 2, 3. 3 notebooks are left. Reena saw 7 deer in the zoo. 3 ran away. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 deer were left. Subtraction with reverse counting. Now let us attempt the same exercise counting backwards. Sanya is spending 7 days with her grandmother in the village. She came to the village 3 days back. How many more days can she stay with her grandmother? Move backwards from 7 and count 3 numbers because Sanya has already spent 3 days in the village. 6, 5, 4. She can spend 4 more days with her grandmother. There are 4 cars in Amrit's house. Amrit's father has taken one to office. Amrit's mother has taken one for shopping. How many cars are there in the house? Count backwards from 4. We count 2 numbers because 2 cars have gone. 3, 2. So, 2 cars are there in the house. Subtraction in a horizontal line. Let us now use dots to subtract numbers horizontally. To subtract 4 from 6, we place 6 dots. Strike off 4 dots. 2 dots remain. Therefore, 2 is the answer. To subtract 2 from 8, we place 8 dots. Strike off 2 dots. 6 dots remain. Therefore, 6 is the answer. Subtraction in a vertical line. Let us now subtract numbers vertically. To do so, write the numbers one below the other. To subtract 1 from 4, write 4 first. Write 1 below it. Draw 4 vertical lines next to 4. Cross out 1 vertical line to subtract 1. How many vertical lines are left? 1, 2, 3. Therefore, 4 minus 1 is 3. Let us find 5 minus 2. Draw 5 lines next to 5. Cross out 2 lines to subtract 2. Count the remaining vertical lines. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, 5 minus 2 is 3. Let us find 4 minus 4. Draw 4 vertical lines next to 4. Cross out all the 4 vertical lines to subtract 4. There are no vertical lines left. Therefore, 4 minus 4 is 0. Subtraction story. Mona has 7 frocks. Tina has 3. How many frocks does Mona have more than Tina? Count backwards from the larger number 7. We count 3 numbers because Tina has 3 frocks. 6, 5, 4. Mona has 4 frocks more than Tina. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. Numbers can be subtracted with the help of reverse counting. Numbers can be subtracted vertically and horizontally.